Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to change hyperlink color in Mailchimp. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Mailchimp, you can use the link in the description and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the Mailchimp website, I can just, insert a link right here on my text and I can just pre-made all the hyperlinks before I made the video. So this is my hyperlinks. And if I want to change the color, I can just click text color right here on the top side and just drag whatever color I want for my hyperlinks. And yeah, that's it. So one of this, I'm just going to highlight this again and click the text color and just drag whatever color I want for this text. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can, change hyper link color on Mailchimp. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.